Hi guys, welcome again. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this ruffle sleeve. This is what I made, although mine is not as that full and as wide as the picture, because I wasn't making this for a customer. I just did this sleeve for the sake of this video. So let's get started. Get your net and cut them into pieces. I cut mine here into 3.5 inches. You can do how wide you want it to be, whether 4 inches or even 2.5 inches. So about 3.5 inches is okay. So I use total of 1.5 yard to make for two sleeve. If you want it to be as wide and as full like that picture, you can do 4 yards. So this is me here joining the net together. Remember, I cut it into 3.5 inches, and I have it into pieces of about was it 25. So this is me joining them together. I want to join all the net together so that I can do them at once. At the end of this video I'm going to show you a trick of how to make this very fast. This is for the beginner and the basic way, the normal way of doing it. But if you don't want to pass through all this stress, you should watch this video to the end so that you see the easiest way to make this ruffle sleeve. So after joining the net together, I'll separate them. So this is me separating the net. Then I'm going to reduce the allowances to the minimum. I don't want to cut through the thread, but I want to reduce the allowance because I don't want the joining to be showing it. I don't want the same allowance to be showing in the ruffle. So I want to reduce the same allowance to the minimum, so without touching the thread, without touching the seam. At this point I want to proceed to making the gathers. So I double my net here, so it's not a single net, and I place the two wrong faces together. So I'm having both right face, the good face, the right face, and the other right face outside, while the wrong face, the both wrong face are facing themselves, being inside. This because I don't want any bad face to be outside of my ruffle. So this is me just sewing through. Remember to put your sewing in stitches, the stitches to be very wide, so that you can easily make the gathers. After sewing at the middle of the net, then we proceed to dragging the thread to make the gathers. Remember, I said at the end of this video I'm going to show you a trick of how to do these gathers without going through all the stress of and dragging the thread. This may take a long time. Imagine if you wanted to if you want to make it as wide and as full as that picture, so you have to drag this thread for so long time. So that's why I came up with a trick on how to make these gathers without passing through all this stress. So watch this video to the end so that you get to see that. So while I was dragging the thread, the thread got stuck, so I have to start from the other side. That's why I just skipped the video. So if you watch this video to the end, you get to know how to do this without going through all the stress. This is the finished work. So I've dragged and make the gathers. Dragging the thread through the long net wasn't an easy job. It took me about 15 minutes before I was able to drag the thread to make these gathers. So now I want to proceed to cutting the sleeve. So I want the sleeve to be as wide as long as 26 inches and as wide as 12 inches. That will be in total, while it's open 24 inches, but as folded now 12 inches. So this means marking the sleeve free-handed. So I'm going to cut that, then place the ruffle net on it. Did you know that there is an application designed for fashion designers? Yes, it is called StyleBit. With StyleBit, you can save customers' measurements on your device, send invoice to your customers from your device, and also save orders on your device. With StyleBit, you can track your record, track your sales, know your total revenue, and even get notified about any pending payment or any order that is about to overdue. So I'll leave a link in the description box to download StyleBit. StyleBit is an application that every fashion designer should have. Download this application today and join the digital fashion designer. I'll leave the link in the description box and in the comment section. So just check the comment section or check the description box for the link to download Stybit. If you're using Android or iOS, you can use that link, that single link, and work for both Android users and iOS users. Download the application today and you thank me later.